So in this smaller mandala you can already see that I have chosen very simple and geometrical patterns because we have a very tiny space to fill in. So for this particular layer we are just going to draw the same diagonal lines pattern that we used in the upper mandala. So you can also take any other pattern or motif of your choice, but the main highlight of this Dreamcatcher mandala is this portion. So all of the detailing and all of the intricacy that you want to add, make sure to add all of it here. And all of these portions, they are additions, they basically are supporting and adding to the Dreamcatcher. So we have to ensure that the patterns that we are choosing, they are simple enough so that all the attention, most of the attention goes here. So in this way we just balance all the sections, balance all the areas of a mandala. So deciding the shapes and patterns for your design is equally important as drawing the design. So the patterns really make a difference, and the area that you want to highlight, the most important area of your entire design, needs to have more intricacy and more detailing as compared to the other other areas. Now for the middle portion I am just going to draw lines over the over the pencil lines. Just don't join it till the end. And I am going to draw a very simple center pattern. So just join these two ends, draw a curved line, and you will have your center pattern. So in this way you have your center pattern, and then we just fill the white areas to highlight the two layers that we made. As you can see, this was a very simple and very simple mandala. So because this is a mini mandala and this is an addition, so choosing the right patterns is equally important. But anyways, you can always try and experiment with patterns, so make sure to do that as well. You can take any other patterns and see how the design looks like. Be creative, be as creative as possible. Now once you are done with this, you can either just color this entire area or draw a motif to just balance out the lines and everything. So anyways, a smaller size, but this is a mandala, and adding details will only make it look better. Now we are also going to just fill the white spaces. Take your own time, feel free to pause the video if you need more time, and if you already have completed, you can just move on to the next part. And with this we have completed the smaller mandala as well.